In this video, we are going to talk about Bezold abscess drainage. A Bezold abscess is a severe condition that happens when a middle ear infection spreads deep into the neck muscles. When a standard ear infection goes untreated, pus can build up inside the mastoid bone, which is the hard bump located behind your ear. If the pressure becomes too intense, the fluid breaks through the bottom wall of this bone and into the neck. This rapid spread creates a painful, deep collection of pus that requires immediate medical care to prevent further harm. Recognizing this condition early is vital for effective treatment. Patients usually experience severe ear pain accompanied by high fever. Because the infection travels down into the neck, you will likely notice significant swelling, redness, and extreme tenderness just below the affected ear. This swelling often makes it very difficult or painful to turn it from side to side. It is crucial not to ignore these symptoms, as they indicate the illness is spreading rapidly. When antibiotics alone cannot clear the infection, a surgical procedure called drainage becomes absolutely necessary. During this operation, a specialist makes a careful incision in the neck to reach the deep pocket of fluid. The surgeon thoroughly drains the trapped pus and washes out the area with a sterile solution to eliminate bacteria. Small flexible tubes are often left in place for a few days. This allows any newly formed fluid to escape safely, ensuring proper healing. Recovering from this procedure requires a brief hospital stay, so medical staff can monitor your progress closely. Patients receive powerful antibiotics directly through an intravenous line to ensure the bacteria are fully destroyed. The surgical wounds and drainage tubes will be cleaned and checked daily by nurses to prevent reinfection. Most individuals begin to feel much better within just a few days of care. The long-term outlook for patients is excellent when the abscess is caught and treated early by professionals. To prevent this severe condition from occurring in the future, it is highly important to treat all middle ear infections promptly, with proper medical guidance. Seeking timely care from a doctor ensures that a simple ear infection is resolved safely before it has a chance to turn into an abscess.